Learn with Jingle Kids.
Let's understand why do fireflies glow at night. Hi! Have you ever been outside on a warm summer night and seen tiny twinkling lights dancing in the air? They look like magic, isn't it? But they're not stars, and they're not magic ones. They're amazing little creatures called fireflies. But why do they light up the night? Is it for a party? A secret code? Let's find out the science secret behind the firefly's glow.
Hello there, my name is Flicker and I'm a firefly. I know what you're thinking. Firefly? Do I breathe fire? Am I hot? Nope, I'm actually a kind of little beetle and my light is special because it's cold light. Come closer and I'll tell you my secret. Right here in the bottom part of my belly, I have a tiny amazing factory. It doesn't make toys, it makes light. Inside, I keep two special ingredients. Think of them like two magic potions. One potion is called luciferin. The other is my special chemical called luciferase. When I want to put on my show, I take a deep breath of fresh air and let it mix all together in my factory. Whoosh! The chemicals mix and they make a bright glowing light without getting hot at all. It's my very own light. Why I light up the night? I don't just glow to look pretty. My light is super important for staying safe and finding new friends. Finding my friends. The most important reason I flash is to chat with other fireflies. I fly around flashing my light in a very specific pattern. Blink, 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 blink. That's my secret code. I'm looking for a new friend who flashes exactly like me. Staying safe from yucky eaters. My glow is also like a big, bright stop sign for hungry animals like birds or frogs. It warns them that I taste yucky and might even make them sick. So, you see, it's so important for me to glow.
Ultimately, the firefly's flicker isn't just a light show. It's a vital, fragile signal essential for the future of their species. So next time you see a firefly, remember that tiny light is a crucial beacon of survival. Without that silent, glowing language, the firefly's story simply ends. Now let's sing the firefly song. Firefly, firefly with your little light, where do you go in the silent night? You blink and you flicker, you dance and glow, but now the sleepy breezes start to blow. It's time to rest your little shining heart in the green grasses where the sweet dreams start. We hope you liked the video. Subscribe to Jingle Kids for more such educational content. See you in the next class. Bye bye.